Good morning, students of class 9B. In this live class, all of you are welcome. We are solving in class the chapter indices, chapter number 6, exercise A and B. Those two were easy, so I escaped from there. I came to exercise 6C. In question number 1, evaluate. Question number 1, Roman number 4, cube root of 16 to the power minus 3 by 4 into 125 to the power minus 2. That is asked to evaluate. So for this, I have written the first step. I remove this cube root, and for that, I have given here power 1 by 3. It became 16 to the power minus 3 by 4 into 125 to the power minus 2 to the power 1 by 3. So this power is multiplied with the power of these two. So I wrote 16 to the power minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 3 into 125 to the power minus 2 into 1 by 3. So it will be 125 to the power minus 2 by 3. Now I have cancelled this 3 and this 3. So it became 16 to the power minus 1 by 4, and this side 125 we can write as 5 cube, because if you multiply 5 3 times you will get 125. So this 5 to the power cube into minus 2 by 3. Then this 16 I have written as 2 to the power 4 into minus 1 by 4 into 5 cube into minus 2 by 3. This 4 and this 4 cancelled. Here 2 to the power minus 1. Similarly, these 3 and this 3 cancel, and here 5 to the power minus 2. 2 to the power minus 1, we can write 1 by 2, and 5 to the power minus 2, we can write 1 by 5 square. So it became 1 by 2 into 1 by 25, that multiply. Those two are multiplied, and I got 1 by 50. Question number 1, Roman number 5, evaluate 32 to the power minus 2 by 5 divided by 216 to the power minus 2 by 3. So here 32 we can write as 2 to the power 5 into minus 2 by 5 divided by 2. This 216, if you find the prime factors, you will get 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3. So for that I have written here 2 cube into 3 cube, and this power came here minus 2 by 3. These two powers are multiplied, 5 into 5 and 5, this were cancelled. So 2 to the power minus 2 is left, I wrote here, divided by 2 cube into minus 2 by 3 and 3 cube into minus 2 by 3. These 3 and this 3 cancelled, 2 to the power minus 2 is left. Similarly here, this 3 and this 3 cancelled, 3 to the power minus 2 is left. 2 to the power minus 2, this is division, so powers will be subtracted. 2 to the power minus 2 minus this minus 2 came into 3 to the power minus 2. So minus 2 minus minus plus 2. 2 to the power minus 2 plus 2 into 3 to the power minus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 cancel 0. 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power minus 2. 2 to the power 0 equal to 0, because if 0 is power upon any number, that value will be 1. I wrote here 1 into 3 to the power minus 2, I can write it as 1 by 3 square. So this simplification became 1 by 9. This is question number 2, Roman number 3, evaluate. Question is 1 by 4 to the power minus 2 minus 3 into 8 to the power 2 by 3 into 4 to the power 0 plus 9 by 16 to the power minus 1 by 2. In the first step, this 1 by 4 I have written as 1 by 2 square to the power minus 2 minus 3. This 8 I have written as 2 to the power 2 cube to the power 2 by 3. 4 to the power 0 became 1. And I have written 9 minus 16 as 3 square by 4 square to the power this minus 1 by 2. Now in the next step, this 2 power, this square I have taken up, so it will be minus there, 2 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 2 minus 3 This 3 and this 3 cancel, so 2 square is left, plus this 3 by 4 whole square. This is 3 square by 4 square, so we can write it as 3 by 4 whole square to the power minus 1. Now minus minus plus, so 2 to the power 4 minus 3 into 2 square plus 3 by 4 to the power, these 2 cancel, so 3 by 4 to the power minus 1. Now this becomes 16 minus 3 into 4 plus 4 by 3. 16 minus 12 plus 4 by 3. LCM became 3. So 48 minus 36 plus 4, if you simplify it, you will get 52 minus 36, that is equal to 16. 16 by 3. Change in the next fraction, that will be equal to 5 and 1 by 3. Question number 2, Roman number 5. The question is 81 to the power 3 by 4 minus 1 by 32 to the power minus 2 by 5 plus 8 to the power 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power 0. We are asked to evaluate it. In the first step, this 81 I have written as 3 to the power 4 because if you multiply 3 4 times you will get 81, and this 3 by 4 is multiplied with this power. Minus 1 by 32 I have written as 1 by 2 to the power 5. If you multiply 2 5 times, you will get 32 into minus 2 by 5 plus 2 cube. This 8 is written as 2 cube into 1 by 3 into this 2 will go up. So this power will be positive, means 2 square into 2 to the power 0 is 1. Now this 4 and this 4 cancel, so 3 cube is left minus this 5 and this 5 is cancelled. So 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 is left, plus 3 and 3 is cancelled, 2 to the power 1 is left, into 4 into 1, this 4 into 1. 27 minus, while these 2 will go up, this negative sign, negative power will be positive, so it became 2 square plus 2 to the power 1, 2 and 4. Near 27, 2 square means minus 4, minus 2 square means 4, and plus 2 into 4 equal to 8. 27 plus 8, 35, minus 4, that is equal to 31. That is the answer. Question number 3, evaluate. Roman number 3. The question is square root of 1 by 4 plus 0.01 to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 27 to the power 2 by 3. In the first step, I wrote it as, I have removed this square root of that I have written power 1 by 2. Plus, I have removed decimal from here, so I can write it as 1 by 100 to the power minus 1 by 2. This 27 I have written as 3 cube into 2 to the power 2 by 3. This 1 by 4 I have written as 1 by 2 whole square. So 1 by 2 whole square into 1 by 2. These 2 and these 2 cancel. This 1 by 100 I have written as 100 to the power 1 by 2. Because this 100 will go up, then this negative power will be positive. 100 to the power 1 by 2. Minus this 3 and this 3 cancelled. 3 is square. Now, here 1 by 2 because power is 1. So this will be 1 by 2 plus this 100 we can write as 10 square. 10 square into 1 by 2 minus 3 square equal to 1 by 2 plus these 2 and these 2 cancel. So 10 is left minus 3 square means 9. I have taken LCM 2. So here will be 1 plus 20 minus 18. You solve it, you will get 3 by 2. Change the this fraction, that is 1 and 1 by 2. That is the answer.